Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Steam and the controller talking. Plug the controller in with a USB cable or pair by Bluetooth if it's already discovered. Open Steam, go to Settings, Controller, then General Controller Settings and enable the appropriate configuration support, Xbox, PlayStation, or Generic. This lets Steam translate inputs into game controls. Once done, Steam will detect the device and offer calibration and layout options, so make sure to confirm which template matches your controller before moving on. Now you'll tailor control for each game. Right-click the game in your library, select Properties, then Controller, and pick Steam input options, forced on, off, or default. Use Big Picture mode to visually remap buttons, create action sets, and edit analog dead zones. This matters because default mappings sometimes conflict with native game support. Once comfortable, test inputs in the game overlay or the controller configurator. If a game supports native controller features, try both Steam and native mappings to see which feels better. Finish by testing in an actual play session, verify vibration, sticks, triggers, and menus respond correctly, and save your custom config. If something's wrong, reconnect the controller, swap USB ports, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart Steam to refresh driver bindings. Make sure Steam input is set correctly for that game. A key troubleshooting tip: if inputs are missing, disable conflicting third-party controller software, and then reapply your Steam profile. This often resolves mapping conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.